Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing great today. My name is Ria, and I am from India. I am a student, and these days I am focusing on improving my English speaking skills because I want to speak English fluently and confidently in my daily life. English is a very important language in today's world. It helps us communicate with people from different countries, and it also opens many opportunities for our career and future. That is why I have decided to practice English every single day, no matter what happens. At the beginning, learning English was not easy for me. I used to feel nervous and shy while speaking. Sometimes I made mistakes, and sometimes I forgot words. But slowly, I understood that making mistakes is a part of learning. So, I stopped worrying about mistakes and started focusing on practice. Now, I follow a simple routine every day. I watch English videos, listen carefully, and try to repeat the sentences. I also read simple English texts and try to understand their meaning. This daily practice is helping me improve step by step. What about you? Are you also learning English? If yes, then you should practice speaking every day. Even if you speak only for 5 to 10 minutes, it will make a big difference. You can talk to yourself, practice in front of a mirror, or speak with your friends. One more important thing is confidence. You should always believe in yourself. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are your best teacher. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. Sometimes, we feel lazy or demotivated, but at that time, we should remind ourselves why we started. Always remember your goal. If your goal is strong, you will never give up. I also try to learn new words every day. Learning vocabulary is very important because it helps us express our thoughts clearly. When you know more words, you can speak more confidently. In addition, pronunciation is also very important. Try to listen carefully to native speakers and copy their pronunciation. This will help you sound more natural and fluent. So, keep practicing, stay positive, and never give up. You are improving every day, even if you cannot see it. Believe in yourself and keep going. One day, you will speak English fluently without any hesitation. Thank you so much for listening to me. Keep learning, keep practicing, and have a great day ahead.